I would like now to introduce our speaker for today, Robert McKenzie. Robert E. McKenzie is a partner of the law firm of Ernst & LLP of Chicago, Illinois, concentrating his practice in representation before the Internal Revenue Service and state agencies. He has lectured extensively on the subject of taxation. He has presented courses before thousands of CPAs, attorneys, and enrolled agents nationwide. He has made numerous media appearances, including Deadline NBC and the ABC Nightly News, prior to entering private practice. Since entering private practice, he has dedicated a major portion of his time to representation before the IRS. Mr. McKenzie recently received the American Bar Association Civil and Criminal Tax Penalties Committee's Jules Riholt Awards. The award recognizes McKenzie's dedication and achievement in the field of tax controversy. From 2009 to 2011, Mr. McKenzie was a member of the IRS Advisory Council, which advised IRS management. He has been selected as a fellow of the American College of Tax Counsel and serves as its president. He was vice chair of the ABA tax section from 2003 to 2005. Mr. McKenzie is past chairman of the Chicago Bar Association Federal Tax Committee. He was dean of the National Tax Practice Institute from 1998 to 2002. Robert, welcome to the program. We are now ready to begin.
Thank you. Thank you. Welcome, everybody, and have a good day. So let's go with this. As you know, we are all governed if we practice before the IRS by Circular 230, and so that means if you're an enrolled agent, a CPA, or an attorney who practices before the IRS, you are subject to discipline by the IRS and subject to all the rules of practice contained in Circular 230. That being said, that means that for CPAs and attorneys, we have a dual system of potential discipline. We can get in trouble with the IRS, and if in fact the IRS rules against us, they'll notify our state bar or state CPA ethical committees, and we may face a second set of disciplines. So for those of us who have a law license or a CPA license, it can become a dangerous situation if we come under discipline from the IRS. So it behooves us to know our local rules under the state bar or the state CPA rules, but it's particularly important that we know the rules for the IRS. Now, the other thing that I find strange here is that with respect to the bar and CPA disciplinary proceedings, it's by an independent body. It's not by our opponents. But the strange thing about the IRS Office of Professional Responsibility is that it's a part of the IRS, and so therefore our opponents are also could become our adversaries on whether we committed some disciplinary issue. Now, some of our directors of OPR have managed to walk that thin line. Others have tended to be